Are you ready to sell on eBay like a pro? Today, I'm going to show you how to create an eBay listing using auction reserve, buy it now, and other strategies to get it right the first time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to list your item for maximum impact. First, log into your eBay account and click the sell button at the top of the page. This is your gateway to creating a standout listing. Start by typing the name of your item. For instance, if you're selling a watch, you might type vintage Rolex watch. Next, choose the right category. eBay often suggests categories based on your item name, and it's usually safe to pick one. If none fit perfectly, don't worry. You can refine it later. Now, it's time for your title. This is your first chance to grab attention. Use precise keywords that buyers are searching for. Instead of just Rolex, try something like Vintage 1980, Rolex Oyster, Perpetual Date, just 36 silver dial men's watch. The more specific, the better. High quality photos are a must. Include at least 5, showing every angle, front, back, tags, brand markings, flaws, model, and serial number. Keep the background simple, use natural light, and avoid filters. Buyers want to see the real deal. Your description should be detailed and transparent. Include the brand, model, size, color, and condition. Mention any defects or wear. It builds trust. Also, clearly outline your shipping and return policies so buyers feel confident. Next, choose your selling format. Combining an auction with a reserve price and buy it now can give you flexibility. Start your auction at a low price, like $9.99, to attract interest, then set a reserve price, the minimum you're willing to accept. This keeps your item safe without scaring away bidders. The buy it now option allows buyers to purchase immediately if they don't want to wait. Finally, consider shipping and payment. Offering tracked shipping like UPS or UPS builds buyer confidence, and free returns can boost your chances of a quick sale. Choose convenient payment methods like PayPal, credit or debit cards, or eBay managed payments for a smooth transaction. And that's it. With these steps, you're ready to create a professional eBay listing that attracts buyers and protects your sale. Hit subscribe for more tips and start selling smarter today.